In this video, I will show you how to sign in or create account on Target app. So first, go open your Target app like this. And then guys, you have to click on sign in or create account. So next you come here to sign in or create account and you have to add your email or your phone number. For me, I will add my email. Right now I will click continue. And it will take me to this page. I have to complete this profile information. I will add my first name, my last name, my mobile phone number. And after you add in your information, the mobile phone number, it's optional. And you have to select if you want to create account with passkey or with password. And right now, click create account. And then it will send you like a verification code to your email. And right now I add it and click verify. So after this, click here, for example, if you want to skip this passkey, for me not now, I will skip it. And it will, if you want to use here, for example, I will just click show nearby, click not this time. And that's all guys. Don't forget to like and subscribe in this channel and see you in another tutorial.